Dane, what's going on today?
This is some stuff I learned from a cave diver. When you get the new mask, like we got this new mask we're gonna be using for the GoPro. You hit it with a lighter and it melts, supposedly it melts back the silicone that was used to glue the lenses in. So you wanna look down from the top right here? You can see I'm burning it. So hopefully that helps to keep it from fogging up on me when I go diving, and you just burn it off and wipe it off with the paper towel. Next I'm gonna scrub it with some toothpaste because I want it to stay clear and not fog up on me. That's really tough when you're diving and it fogs up. It's hard to see everything down in there. It's always a challenge. Diving's not easy. You get water in your mask, burns your eyeballs, try to hold it together. So every little secret I can use or advice from somebody I like to take and try it. That's it. Well, I just burned the silicone off the glass, so now I'm gonna take some toothpaste here and I wanna scrub it. This toothpaste helps clean it up. It's kind of like polishing glass, and every little advantage you can get when you're diving to help keep the mask from fogging up is you want to use it. So I'll just do both sides and I'll just sit here for a while, scrub it. Don't be shy on the toothpaste. I'm gonna scrub it for a little while, then I'm gonna clean it off with water. But you want a clear mask when you're diving. You get it fogged up, you can't see, then you gotta tilt it forward and get a little water in it, shake your head around, and the salt water burns your eyes. And most of these dives we're gonna be doing aren't very long and they're deep. So we don't have much time down there because we don't hold a lot of air, and we don't wanna be stuck decompressing. So it's basically you dive down, you see a fish, you shoot it, string it up and come up. I just got some new underwater cameras, so it's really windy, blowing out dirty water everywhere. I wanted to go out on a boat and test it. Jay's only here for a couple more hours and we really needed to test our equipment. So I'm just gonna jump in here, this boat ramp, and swim down over there to Geiger Marina and get a cold drink and film on the way down there and hop out and get a cold drink. I'll check back in. Danny, that water's a little bit chilly, Bubba. It's gonna, make sure you bring a towel for me over there. I'm gonna need this towel. Alright. That water's chilly, man. Jay, is that right? Well, I just got these new cameras. I'm getting ready for May 1st. So Jay's last day here, and I wanted to make sure I got everything in line so I can learn how to edit, download all the videos so we can share it with you guys. So I'm about to jump in the water, do a little swim around here and test it all out. So here it goes.